Hello guys, welcome to our channel Easy Trucking. On this channel, we are creating some videos around trucking industry and trying to give information about the this industry. So in this video, we are going to talk about the freight broker, that who is a freight broker and what he do. So for the definition, freight broker is a middleman who find shipper and carriers and interconnect them. So, freight broker is a middleman who finds shippers and carriers and interconnect them. And in the previous video, we talked about the shippers, the shipper who ship goods from one point to another point. And if I talk about the carriers are the ones who have trucks and drivers and who use their trucks to move a load from one place to another place. So the freight broker find these two like shippers and the carriers and interconnect them with each other. So he work like a middleman between shipper and carriers, and he also make sure the communication between the smooth communication between like shipper and carrier. So shipper like to work with the freight broker because it reduce their like the stress, because sometimes they have to negotiate with the carriers regarding the freight price and regarding the routes and the other things. So but the freight broker can reduce their stress, and on the other hand, carriers also like to work with the freight broker because it reduce their time, and they can easily find loads from different places. So this is a video about the freight broker, and in the next videos we will talk about more things about the trucking industry. So please like and share this video, and drop your comments in the comment box, and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.